Hey guys, welcome back. Spring is finally here, so we celebrate it with a delicious pizza made in a cast iron pan. So let's get to it. First, we start by slicing up our ingredients. We slice some red onions, red peppers, and some porcini mushrooms from last year. We will make two types, one with the mushrooms and cheese, and the other with the vegetables, salami, ham, and cheese. Our dough was made yesterday, and if you are looking for a good pizza dough recipe, then click the link in the upper right corner. We stretch our dough, and when done, we add it to our preheated cast iron pan. We want to cook one side, then we flip it. We add the sauce, followed by the rest of the ingredients. When we added everything that we wanted on the pizza, we put the lid on and we cook it for a few more minutes. We check the dough from time to time to be sure we don't burn it. When done, we take it off the heat, and this amazing thick crust pizza is ready to eat. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, or leave us a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.